Many people believe that you can get a restraining order against anyone for any criminal offense. In reality, there are detailed guidelines and requirements that are needed to obtain a restraining order. Hi, I'm Katie Crow of Katie Crow Law at the Law Office of Gulledge and Tickle. Recently, I was asked if a woman could get a restraining order from her ex-husband's new wife that was being confrontational during a child's baseball game. While this is an upsetting situation, this wouldn't necessarily qualify for a restraining order. Let's talk about some of the reasons why. In civil courts, a restraining order is called a Protection from Abuse Order, or PFA. To request a PFA, there are two overarching requirements. The first requirement is that you must have been the victim of domestic abuse or have a reasonable cause to believe that you are in immediate danger of becoming a victim. You must have more than a gut feeling. Most courts require evidence of immediate threat of harm. The second requirement is that you must have one of the following relationships with the abuser. You are related by marriage to the defendant, including common law marriage. You had a former marriage or common law with the defendant. You have a child in common. You are currently in a dating relationship with the abuser, or a dating relationship ended within the last 12 months. Or you are a current or former household member of the abuser, which means you live together while in a romantic or sexual relationship. Or you can file against the relative of a current or former household member as long as that person also lived with you. You are the parent, step-parent, child, or stepchild of the abuser, and you live or have lived together. Based on these two requirements, that example of the mother with the other person at the baseball park would not have qualified. Even if there was evidence of the abuse, she probably would not be able to establish the qualifying relationship. Because the civil courts are strict, it's very difficult to get this order for protection. But if you feel your safety is at risk, you should always ask. Once you meet the requirements to file a PFA, there's still a lot more to learn about how to file and what it entails. If you'd like to learn more, please set up a free 30-minute consultation with me at 334-737-3733.